to get more of these perks over here. But I'm just gonna go ahead and click on not right now over here, since I'm not gonna be using that. And then so now hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Helium10. Now Helium10 here is a very useful application or software, platform actually, that you can use when you're running a business. So what it does is that it helps you with the intricacies and the complicated stuff when you're running the business, such as knowing your competition through keywords, knowing what's trending, and knowing what needs to be updated in your business, what needs to be worked on, and what's the good and the bad, so that you can improve and have a successful business operation. So it is very simple to sign up to Helium10. So let's just go over here. To start with the registration process, we just go over here to sign up for free on the top right, and then it should be sending us over here. Now we just need to write down our name over here. I'm gonna write down my name, my full name, and then my email here as well, then password. Then you just agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions, then sign up. Now that we're over here, what we just need to do is to just click on what best describes you as a seller. So we have your individual seller, we have brand, we have agency, and I have not yet started selling online. So for me right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on I have not yet started selling online, because that's really actually what I'm doing right now. And now it will give us this opportunity to try their platinum version to get more of these perks over here. But I'm just gonna go ahead and click on not right now over here, since I'm not gonna be using that. And then so now that they've analyzed our seller journey, they are now suggesting us all these other things that can help us with our our operation. So they have a freedom ticket over here. They have a Chrome extension that you can be using. So I'm not really using Chrome right now, so I would suggest that if you're using Helium10, you go ahead and use Helium10 on the Chrome browser. Then they also have Cerebro, listing analyzer, listing builder, and more. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and go to my dashboard over here, and this is what Helium10 should look like. And you even have the option to add a multi-factor authentication for your safety, your security, but I'm just go ahead and go not now. So this is what Helium10 looks like. It might look very daunting and intimidating at first, but down here you'll see that this is like a sample data that you can be able to get once you're getting the hang of Helium10. So as you can see, when you're running a business, you'll be able to see all of this important data that you can use to gauge your operations, and it will definitely help you a lot in the long run to be using Helium10. So I suggest that you do. So this is it. That is how you can sign up for Helium10. It's pretty simple, and I hope this video helped you. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.